If you want access to over 200 kettlebell workouts, full length, follow along workouts, a technique, common mistakes, alternatives and progressions, and so much more, then check out the link below. For less than $22, you can join the private group, get access to the library, kettlebell routines, kettlebell programs, and so much more. It also includes coaching, personalized coaching from myself and other caveman trainers. So check out the link. It's well worth it for any beginner, even trainers. So if you're a trainer and you're running out of ideas for things to do with your clients and you're not sure how to use kettlebells, then check out the link below. It's well worth the money. My name is Taco Fleur. I'm from Cavemantraining.com. We have been operating since 2009 all across the world. We're delivering courses, workouts, books on Amazon, certifications for kettlebells. So if you want to get certified in kettlebells, look no further.